Let's move from trading styles right into market direction. Now, I know that this whole unit has to do with what I term as critical concepts and terms that you need to know. But this one is actually very critical, and you need to right out the gate know exactly and become familiar with this and know when people are referring to this what they're actually talking about. So this deals with market direction in an upward swing. And so you can take these terms. If you hear anybody say these terms, they all mean the same thing. Bull or bullish, buy, long, up, or we're going to get deeper into this one, bid or bid price. All of these words refer to the price of a pair pushing higher or that it will continue to increase. And the following phrases all mean that the market price is pushing higher. We're going to go over them right here. When a market is referred to as a bull market or being bullish, that means that the market bias is for the price to go higher. If a trader is placing a buy position, they are entering the trade based on the trade bias that the price is going to push higher. If a market is referred to as being in an upward swing or going up, it means that price action is pushing higher. Now, again, we're going to go further into this, but the bid price of a pair refers to the price you will pay if you place a buy order or an order with the bias that the price will continue to increase. If you are long on a currency pair, if somebody says I'm long on the euro dollar, it means that they expect for the base currency, which is the euro, to rise or push higher. All of those terms and concepts mean that the price direction of the market is pushing up or is an upward trend. And you definitely need to be able to know those concepts and interchange those all. They all mean the same thing so that anytime you hear them, you are familiar with exactly what you're either saying and expressing yourself or exactly what your broker or another trader is referring to. This slide is exactly the same as the slide we just looked at on market direction, except we're flipping it around, and all of these terms are referring to when price action pushes lower. And so we have the terms which are just the opposite sides of price pushing higher as bear or bearish, as selling, as being short on a trade, as down, or as the ask price. You can kind of read through here as to what would be the appropriate way that it's being referred to, but just know that all of those terms, just like we talked about of price pushing higher, refer to price pushing lower, and you will hear them interchanged by people a million different ways, but they all refer to price action falling.